Good morning, students. I am Professor Priya Sharma of EC Department, SIRT College, Bhopal. Say Janandam. Today we are going to discuss the BCD adder, which is the lecture 4 of the lecture series which we are going through of the subject data system design, which is in the third semester of the engineering. So, what is first of all BCD adder? As we all know that a BCD adder adds two BCD digits and produces a BCD digit. The BCD digit cannot be greater than 9. The two given BCD numbers are to be added using the rules of the binary addition. If the sum is less than or equal to 9 or the carry is equal to 0, then no correction is required. But if the sum is correct and is in its true BCD form. But if the sum is invalid, that is, if carry is equals to 1 and the sum is greater than 9, then the result is wrong and needs the correction. So for the wrong result can be corrected by adding the 6 or 0110 bit to the desired result. This is the basic logic diagram of the BCD adder. Here we have to use two 4-bit binary adders and a combinational circuit which will add 6 and give the result to the second binary adder, and hence the corrected BCD answer will be given over here. So a 4-bit binary adder is used to add the given numbers A and B, a combinational circuit to check if the sum is greater than 9 or carry equal to 1. The carry over here is C out. One more 4-bit binary adder is used to add the 6 to the incorrect sum if sum is greater than 9 or carry equal to 1. So we have to design the combinational circuit that senses if sum is greater than 9 or carry equal to 1. This is the basic truth table of the normal binary to decimal number system. If y is 0, that means the BCD number is valid. But if y equal to 1, the sum is invalid and it needs correction. So after seeing this truth table, we will solve it using a K-map. After solving it, we get that the output y is S3, S2 plus S3, S1. K-map I have explained in the earlier lectures. The link is given in the comment box. The output of the combinational circuit should be 1 if the carry output of adder 1 is high. Therefore, the output y is odd with the C out of the adder 1. The output of the combinational circuit is connected to the B1, B2. Here you can see the B1, B2 inputs of adder 2, and B3 and B0 are permanently connected to the 0. This makes B3, B2, B1, B0 as 0, 1, 1, 0, which is equivalent to 6 if y dash equal to 1. The sum outputs of adder 1 are applied to A3, A2, A1 is 0 of adder 2. The output of combinational circuit is to be used as final output carry, and carry output of the adder 2 is to be ignored. So here are the two adders as been described earlier. From all the inputs from S1, S2, S3, as S0 will not generate any carry. From S1, carry will be generated and a logic circuit has been used. If the output of this adder 1 is high, then it will set B2 and B1 to 1 and B0 and B3 are permanently connected to 0. Thus, it will create a equivalent of 0, 1, 1, 0, which is equivalent to 6. And a 6 will be added to the given 4-bit binary number. After adding the 6, it will correct the BCD form and the output will be shown from here. If no correction is required, then the output of S0, S1, S2, S3 will be same as A0, A1, A2 and A3. The final output carry of this adder 2 is ignored. That's all for the today. I hope so. BCD adder is very simple and it's clear now. For any queries, you can come and contact me. Thank you. Work very hard. Say Janandam. All the best, students.